Ant-Man. He's a fascinating superhero. He can shrink down to the size of an ant. But what if he shrank even further? Could he actually become a black hole? It's a question that sparks the imagination. Could a superhero really wield the power of the universe's most extreme objects? It's a fun thought experiment. Let's dive into the science behind black holes and explore this intriguing, albeit fictional, possibility. We'll see why Ant-Man's powers, while amazing, are best left in the realm of science fiction. Black holes are some of the most mysterious objects in the universe. They're regions of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine a giant star, much bigger than our sun, collapsing in on itself. The result? A black hole. At the edge of a black hole is the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Once you cross it, there's no going back. You'll be pulled in by the immense gravity. Now let's imagine Ant-Man somehow shrinking down to a size smaller than an atom. Could he actually become a black hole? If he somehow compressed his mass into an incredibly small space, his density would skyrocket. With such extreme density, his gravitational pull would also increase dramatically. Objects around him like cars, buildings, even people, would be drawn towards him. It wouldn't be pretty. The Earth itself might start to crumble as Ant-Man's gravitational pull disrupts its delicate balance. It's a chaotic scenario that thankfully remains purely hypothetical. You might be surprised to learn that even our sun has the potential to become a black hole. But don't worry, it's not happening anytime soon. Our sun isn't massive enough to collapse into a black hole on its own. It'll eventually become a white dwarf star, a much smaller and denser object, but still not a black hole. For a star to become a black hole, it needs to be much, much bigger than our sun. When these massive stars run out of fuel, they collapse under their own gravity. This creates a black hole. Section 5. The energy crisis more than meets the eye. Turning Ant-Man into a black hole presents another challenge: energy. Shrinking him down to such an incredibly small size would require an immense amount of energy. Where would this energy come from? It's not something that can be easily generated, even with PIM particles. Furthermore, even if we could overcome the energy hurdle, the consequences of creating a black hole, even a small one, would be catastrophic. Section 6. The fiction of superpowers, the reality of science. It's important to remember that Ant-Man's powers, while based on scientific concepts, are still fictional. The science behind shrinking and growing is far more complex than what's depicted in the movies. The idea of Ant-Man turning into a black hole is a fun thought experiment. But it's not something that's scientifically plausible. The laws of physics, as we understand them, simply don't allow for it. Section 7. The enduring allure of what if. Despite the scientific improbability, the question of Ant-Man becoming a black hole highlights the enduring allure of what if scenarios. Superhero stories, with their fantastical elements, allow us to explore the boundaries of our imagination. They encourage us to ask questions about the universe and our place in it. Even if the answers are purely fictional, the journey of exploration is what makes these stories so captivating. Section 8. Conclusion. Celebrating the marvel of imagination. So, could Ant-Man turn into a black hole and destroy Earth? The science says no. But the beauty of superhero stories is that they allow us to suspend our disbelief and embrace the impossible. Let's celebrate the marvel of imagination and the power of storytelling. These stories, while fictional, inspire us to learn more about the universe and the incredible forces that shape it.